What's up, Accessors? So, welcome to Goodbye Serena Week. And so, Serena has decided to quit Access, or at least making videos for Access, because of some difficulties with having marching band camp in August and school starting later on after that. And keeping good grades after that and homework and everything. Yes, and she will still be doing her main channel. She just won't be doing Access. She will still be like with us doing stuff. She just won't be recording videos. So I hope you guys understand why she's quitting, and I know we do, and we love her still. And yeah. So what's up, Access? This week is Goodbye Serena Week, and so I'll be saying goodbye to Serena. Thanks so much for making videos the last 2 weeks. She'll be recording her last video this week. And so yeah. She gave us a list of things that she likes and likes doing. Well, I thought I would talk about times that we connected, things that we have in common, and everything. So for one, we both like beanies. You can't go wrong with beanies. Like, they're the best things in the world. At least in my opinion. Serena also likes snapbacks, even more than beanies, probably. And I was gonna remember this snapback, but I don't know where I put it. It's probably downstairs. So, yeah. We both love snapbacks, so it's something that we have in common. I know we have lots in common. I guess some inside jokes. If you watched her last video, the song that she was playing in the background, the most hilarious song in the world that we have in common. And what you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss be cool. My lip gloss be poppin'. Yeah. That song, guys. If you haven't heard about that song, go look it up, because it's one of the best songs ever, in my opinion. So me and Serena both, like, the first time we talked to each other on Skype, that's what we connected on, was that song. I think I started singing it first, and then we, like, got on together, and yeah, so it's hilarious. Another thing is that we're both accident prone. So, I don't know about you guys, but if there was a world record for person with the most accidents, like slamming fingers in doors, getting black eyes, getting bloody noses, I would have it. I'd probably slam my finger in anything you could imagine. I slammed my finger in my fridge. My sister slammed my finger in a rusty old car door. My brother gave me my first black eye when we were playing baseball in the house, and we were using like socks, not baseballs, but like socks, and you use your hand to hit it. Well, he threw it hit me in the eye, and I got my first black eye that way. I was trying to prank my brother, and I tried popping up behind a rocking chair. He got scared, and, well, not really scared, but he got freaked out, and he went back in the rocking chair and hit me in the nose, and that's how I got my first bloody nose. Basically anything you can imagine. I am so accident prone that I can't even break a bone. I can severely sprain a bone, but I can't break a bone because it's been through so much. I can roll my wrists and make this really annoying popping sound that can be like really loud sometimes. Both wrists, actually. This is actually a wrist. My left hand is one that I severely sprained in 4th grade, I think. And, I don't even remember what it was from, but my whole family's accident prone. Like, my sister, she put her hands down when she was snowboarding and broke her thumb, or, like, broke her bone right in her thumb bone right here. Yeah. Well, I break it, but severely sprained also. Yeah, so we're very accident prone in my family, and Serena in her last video even fell at the beginning, which is probably just a joke, but it was pretty funny. So yeah, me and Serena have lots in common, and we're gonna be great friends. I know it for sure. She's like the only one I could ever like know to count on to be there for an Access meeting, like on Skype, or like we were both sitting there we were supposed to have a meeting about last week. That's why we were all behind. We were supposed to have a meeting about last week, and no one else showed up besides me and Serena. So that's because dinners came up because Swirly lives in Ireland, and it was around like 6 o'clock when our meeting was going to happen because she's 6 hours ahead of us. Or 6 hours ahead of me, and then I'm 1 hour ahead of everyone else. So it was like 1 p.m. here. It was 12 p.m. in California. So it's just really weird. But yeah, so me and her have lots in common, and probably more that we don't even know. Camping, singing and dancing, being weird. I admit I am weird, yes. And I love it. I could sit here eating macaroni noodles because that's the best thing to do. Just sit eating noodles. I'm also a DJ, which I'm pretty sure Serena's not a DJ, but which means I love music, and Serena loves music, and yeah, we're like the same. We were listening to Wiggle when we were Skyping one time, and we were both dancing, and we're like, yeah, no, we're awesome. Thanks. We're weird. We know. Yeah, so I guess what I'm trying to say is that even though you might meet someone for like the first time, maybe not hit it off, we hit it off very first. But just because they might not live near you or anything, and you actually know them, not some creeper, you can become great friends. Yeah, like, have you guys ever had like that pen pal that in like elementary school that you wrote to? Well, I had a pen pal from Arizona, and she was pretty awesome actually. I only got to pen pal her like one time because Arizona was pretty far, and they didn't get our letters until really late. That's why I think pen pal should just be done over email now. But yeah, so just it's nice to be kind when you first meet someone, and maybe you'll hit it off, maybe you won't. But me and Serena did, and I know I'm really gonna miss seeing her videos every week. And she's gonna be really sad not to be uploading videos every week for us. But she will still be starting her main channel when she gets all set up. And if you do watch her videos, you guys will know that she's been having some troubles with camera issues and stuff, which we have more detail on that than you guys probably do. But yeah, she still is planning on starting her main channel soon. And yeah, so if you guys notice that this camera is really bad, I'm really sorry for that. My phone is being really dumb, and I wanted to do a little bit more editing stuff, and I couldn't have my other camera because it's a work in progress right now, the camera that goes in this case. And so that's actually my vlogging camera, but I'm missing a piece to it for uploading, so I can't use it at this moment. And so yes, I'm using my camera on my computer, which is really bad, but hopefully it'll all be fixed by next week. And I love you, Accessors, and thanks so much for watching. Please say in the comments, goodbye Serena. Go comment on her videos. Thanks so much for making us videos. And make sure you go check out her channel Serena Sally. And hopefully you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more, hit the subscribe button. Maybe one time I'll dance and sing for you guys. If we get a lot of subscribers, at least 20 subscribers soon, because I think we're at 12. If we get at least 20 subscribers, I will dance and sing for you guys and be the weirdest person you will ever meet. Well, thanks so much guys for watching. Please, again, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave in the comments what you guys want us to do next week. And please say goodbye to Serena. I know she would love to hear from all of you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. And hope to see you all next week, Accessors. You guys are awesome. And hopefully you guys can connect with us also. And maybe sometime we will go on Omegle, or we will open a Google Hangout for anyone that wants to come and talk to us. or maybe sometime we'll give out our Skypes to certain people who want to come talk. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and may the odds be ever in your favor, as Joy Your7 says at the end of all his videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!